Guys, sasakay kami dito. Nakakatakot. Sobrang taas nito. 500 feet. I'm afraid of heights.
You want to race? Sure.
It's alright. My God, it's so very high. So tall. Guys, we are going to ride that. Oh my God, it's very high. Afraid of heights. Look, so tall. Like a planet. Like a planet. My God, nakakatakot dito. Nagpa-picture ako, hawak talaga ako ng upuan kasi feeling ko mahulog ako eh. Naka-glass lang. Feeling ko mahulog ako anytime. I'm afraid of heights. Tawa ako dito eh. Pero maganda to. Kasi overlooking view siya. Parang buong city kita. Ang ganda.